Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into standard 8 geometry. Construct the following trapezium with the given measures and also find the area. Here the given trapezium is AIMS with AI is parallel to SM and AI is equal to 6 centimeter, IM is equal to 5 centimeter, AM is equal to 9 centimeter and MS is given 6.5 centimeter. I have drawn the rough diagram here. You can see here three sides and one diagonal is given. Now let us draw the fair diagram. These two are the parallel sides. These two are the parallel sides of the trapezium. Now let us draw the fair diagram. First let us draw AI is equal to, it is given 6 centimeters. Let us mark it as AI and the measure is 6 centimeters. Now you can see here AM is equal to 9 centimeter. So let us take 9 centimeters. Let us measure using ruler and compass 9 centimeters. Now with A as center, radius 9 centimeters, draw an arc. Now you can see here IM is given 5 centimeters. So now let us measure 5 centimeters using the ruler and compass. It is 5 centimeters. Now with I as center, radius 5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. You can see here this is the intersecting point. This is M. Now let us join AM and IM. This is 9 centimeter and IM is 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw a parallel line. You can see here SM is parallel to AI. Now we are going to draw a parallel line using the ruler and set square. You can place the ruler like this and you have to adjust your set square. Here you are going to move your ruler. Sorry, you are going to move the set square. So adjust the ruler and set square like this. Now just move the set square such that it touches the point M. Now let us draw the parallel line. Now we have drawn the parallel line. Now you can see here SM is given 6.5 centimeter. Now we are going to measure 6.5 centimeter using ruler and compass. So with M as center, radius 6.5 centimeters, draw an arc such that it cuts the parallel line at this point. This is S. Now let us join AS. Now we have constructed the trapezium. Now we have to find the area. To find the area we need the height. So let us draw the height. Draw a perpendicular line like this. You can draw a perpendicular line. It is 90 degrees. Here now let us measure the height. It is 4.6 centimeter. Now let us find the area of this trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. This is the formula to find the area of the trapezium, which is equal to half into, here height is 4.6 centimeter, into a plus b. A and b are the parallel sides. These two are the parallel sides. This is 6.5 centimeter. Now you have to add these two sides. 6 plus 6.5 centimeter square, which is equal to half into 4.6 into 12.5 centimeter square. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 3s are 6. So now multiply 2.3 into 12.5. You will be getting 28.75 centimeter square. This is the area of this trapezium. Thank you.